I ordered a AAA bed liner for my new 2025 Dodge Ram Laramie. It's got the short bed, the 5'7" bed. Install that today. They say to leave it out in the sun for a few hours to relax. That's what I'm doing here. It's out on my lawn. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today, so hopefully it'll take care of it. You can see in the center it's got a bubble. We'll leave it out here for a few hours and install it and see what it looks like. Comes in this box folded up. That's why they want you to lay it out and let it relax. It's a big box, but still it's folded up. It's going to have creases in it. Got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Okay, the bed mat's been sitting out in the sun for a few hours. It's relaxed a bit. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Probably just leave the truck in the sun with it in there that way. You can see the lip in the, here, this is the front. That lip in the front there. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there. There it is. It took me all but 30 seconds. Picked it up, gave it a little fold, slid it right in, jumped up in there. Had to push it past the rings in the front, and that was about it. It's still got a little settling to do, little bubble in the center. See a little bit right there. But I mean, it fits perfectly. So far, I'd highly recommend it. Same thing with the tonneau cover. I have a video on that also, installing it. Just a quick video on it.